Welcome to our channel. We are Debbie and Eric, and together we are enjoying life's adventures. We currently work full-time, looking forward to an early retirement. In the meantime, we make sure to take the time to play, whether that is staying close by on our boat or taking mini vacations in the travel trailer. So come along with us as we enjoy life's adventures.
So guys, we're off on another adventure, and we are heading up north again, going up to the cabana, and we're gonna go pick up the TT hut, and we're gonna take off again this weekend. We booked a campground, so we're gonna hit the road, load her up, and let's go.
I should probably help him instead of standing here recording what he's doing. Probably get done a lot faster if I helped. So that took us 10 minutes to get it connected. Not too bad.
We're going up. Don't look at my hand. Hold on. I gotta flip it around for you. We're going up here.
We're going to Wilderness State Park in Carp Lake, Michigan, which is what, just west of Mackinaw City.
It's actually Bliss Township.
It's a township.
It's listed as Carp Lake.
Exactly.
So it's a big state park. It's supposed to be really beautiful, right on the water. We're a couple campsites off the water, and just said the heck with it. It's our anniversary, 16th.
Yep.
Yesterday. And so we said we're going to take off this weekend and go camping.
All set up and ready to go.
And it's windy and it's cold out.
It's chilly out.
I'm freezing.
It's all that weight you lost. Well, we're back in the TT hut. We didn't get to see much of a sunrise, but this is our view out the back, right there on the water. Where are we at? We're in Mackinaw City. Looking for some place for breakfast. I like to find those places that are like mom pop type things, not chains, when we're in different cities. Cunningham's Family Restaurant. Oh, there's the Pancake Chef. That one was in that brochure. Oh, the gateway to Mackinac Island. Alright, we decided to go take a tour on what is called the Icebreaker. It's a U.S. Coast Guard ship that breaks ice.
Yep, it actually breaks the ice for the freighters and stuff to come through on the Great Lakes. Blue here. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It's like Bahama blue.
It is.
Caribbean blue.
Holy moly. Oh, there's the bridge.
The Mighty Mac.
Alright, we're going to get out into the wind.
And that's right over there is Mackinaw
Mackinac Island. don't know if you can see in the middle of my screen, big white blob. That is the Grand Hotel. It's kind of made famous from a movie from the, what was that, the 80s? Somewhere in time. Beautiful old hotel.
No cars on there.
All right, let's go tour the icebreaker.
Let's go tour the icebreaker.
Welcome aboard the retired icebreaker Mackinaw. It was in service for 62 years, commissioned in 1944 and decommissioned in 2006. The tour is self-paced, so take your time, have fun, and don't go past the white room barriers we have scattered about. You're going to follow the yellow and black anchor arrows. There are 20 of them. They'll take you 2 floors down as well as 2 floors up. The first room is the wardroom where the DVD is playing, about 4 minutes long.
For its part, the Coast Guard has assigned the cutter Mackinaw to the Great Lakes since its christening in 1944. When launched a half-century ago, the Mackinaw was the most powerful icebreaker in the world, and with good reason. It was her job to keep iron ore moving so World War II could be fought to a successful conclusion.
Guess the horn still works.
Yes, sir. Hey Deb, can you pull the anchor?
Yeah, I'll pull that anchor. I'll get right on that. You may not know where I'm moving, but it's the clouds. I looked up and got freaked out.
Oh, it does. Wow, that does.
It's like, oh my gosh, the mast
We're
is
sailing.
moving. It's rocking.
That is pretty cool. Hey Deb, where are we going?
We're going to play some putt-putt golf.
Putt-putt.
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 I like playing putt-putt golf. Animal Tracks Adventure Golf.
That's where
what
it
it's
is.
called.
Kind of wonder what kind of tracks.
Animal Tracks. Moose.
Mooses. Mooses.
Maybe bears.
Bears is. Bear.
Tigers. Oh,
Oh
my.
my. All right, here we go. Let's go see the Moose's tracks.
Ooh, Moose Track ice cream.
It just sounds so wrong. All right. Oh, battery's low. We're gonna run out of battery. We gotta charge this thing for the trucks tonight.
Mm-hmm.
All right. When we get done playing putt-putt, we gotta go charge.
Yep.
All right.
Okay.
Bye.
Hello. Well, we kind of got lucky. Our impromptu trip to Mackinaw City, they're having a truck show, as they call it. It's actually up in St. Ignace, but they have a parade of lights. So all the semi-trucks come down from St. Ignace, which is up north Michigan, the UP.
UP.
They go over the Mackinaw Bridge, and then they come through Mackinaw City. And we just happen to have the chairs in the back of the truck, which we never have chairs in the back of the truck. Here they come.
Okay, where are we?
We are back in Mackinaw City and going to eat at Mamma Mia's Pizza. Upstairs they have a Mackinac Bridge Museum.
Okay, let's go get some pizza.
Sounds good. We had our pizza. Now we're gonna go to the museum. Been to this museum before, but we're gonna go do it again. What you reading about? Oh, bridge facts?
Appointed in 1950, June of 1950, March of 1953, the plans were done. Construction began May 7th, 1954. The bridge opens to traffic on May 1st, 1957. 100 millionth crossing June 25th, 1998.
Yeah, the bridge opens to traffic November 1st, 1957.
The bridge is 5 miles long. It's 552 feet high. Total length of wire is 42,000 miles. Total concrete and bridge is 466,300 cubic yards. Total weight of bridge is 1,024,500 tons. Total number of steel rivets, 4,851,700.
Good evening.
Just Count Dracula? You know your Cocoa Puffs? Good evening.
Okay.
We're here for
No,
the
I
campground.
can't even stop laughing now.
It's one campfire. You gotta put the camera on.
Okay. Decided to take this time to actually relax for a change. Been doing a lot of driving, it seems like, again.
Yeah, we're always in the car driving somewhere, going somewhere, doing something. Trying to find a restaurant, a venue of some sort to do something.
Or even trying to find a party store.
Find a party store.
Yep. There's the TT hut.
Bought a whole bunch of firewood. Gonna chill out, eat beef jerky by the fire.
Beef jerky by the fire. They should make a song like that.
Oh yeah, it should be a camping song. Eat beef jerky by the fire. Somebody write a song on that. I want some royalties though. Okay, so where we are is if you hold up your hand as the state of Michigan, Mackinaw City is right there at the tip of your middle finger. And we are just on the left side of that. So
Just
we're
to
at
the west of.
yeah, we're at Wilderness State Park, just to the west of Mackinaw City. Where we were a few weeks ago was across the bridge, the Mackinac Bridge, into the UP. Once you go across the UP, we're in St. Ignace. It's just to the right of the Mackinac Bridge. And Mackinac Island is right off here onto the right, and Drummond Island is also over there. And Drummond Island is like the area right to the North Channel, entering into the North Channel for the boaters out there. So that's why we wanted to explore that part. But we came up here because there's a spot up in Michigan called the Dark Sky, and that's where there's no city lights and stuff, and you don't have all the light pollution. Yeah, and so you can see the stars more clearly on a nice non-cloudy day. We were hoping to get up here and see that. Sometimes you can see the northern lights up here, so that's something that we haven't experienced, to see the northern lights. So that's why I like trying to get up here. I want to see that one day. I'd love to see it from a sailboat though.
Absolutely.
Camping wouldn't be bad though either, to see it.
Any way to see it.
Yeah. So if you've seen it, comment below. Northern Lights.
Kind of hoping that tomorrow night it won't be cloudy. It was cloudy last night. It's cloudy again tonight.
Hopefully it clears up.
So hopefully it'll clear up. I think it's supposed to be clear tomorrow, but we'll see.
And then we drove.
If not, we'll try again.
We
Some
drove
other
by
weekend.
a cute campground today. Drove through a cute campground that we might come back up and stay at. What was it called?
Mill Creek.
Mill Creek. That looked really cool. Big campground. A lot of sites on the water.
Some secluded sites. Well, they looked secluded because they had trees in between each campsite, so you weren't looking at your neighbor's camper.
They weren't as big as these lots. But
Well, no, but you couldn't see your neighbor's camper, which was kind of nice. It still had a fire pit and a picnic table.
had a lot of amenities there. So
Yeah.
it was kind of cool. I'm sure it's privately owned, but it looks like a good place. Maybe we'll hit that one time coming back. So we
Yeah.
tried to write that down. They had a pool, an outdoor pool there. They had pool tables, arcade room, a little store, general store. They had ice cream at that store. It was kind of cool.
It was.
Neat little place. So I'd go there. I'd visit there. Yeah.
So what are we going to do now?
Gonna go for a walk again, because that's what we need to do while we camp. Is
Yep.
just walk, I guess.
Yep. Get our steps in.
Tried to find some hiking trails. We went down the road down here with a truck. We won't take you and kill you on that adventure.
No.
But there wasn't much down
I'm
there.
hoping
There was some
tomorrow
cabins.
I'll look back on that map and maybe I can find those trails. There is a geocaching trail too.
Oh yeah, if you like geocaching, that's always fun. We got
Yeah.
to do that again, but there's something wrong with my geocache app. This is what life's about. Enjoying life's adventure.
Absolutely.
You know, we work so hard in life. You gotta relax. You gotta take this time and go. Just enjoy life. If you don't,
What are you working for?
yeah, exactly. What are you working for? Why are you working so many hours? Why are you busting your butt so bad? I get it if you're trying to raise a family and for your kids and put a
Yeah,
roof
that's
over their
very
head.
true.
I get that, but once that's done, what are you working so hard for, right? Our kids are grown; they're out of the house.
Right.
It's for us now. So I guess it depends on what stage of life you're in, really. But even when we were working and we had kids, we needed to do this more often.
Right.
We find a cheap way to do it. Go tent camping if you have to. Just go.
Enjoy your kids.
Yes, take the kids by all means. Oh, God, I wish we would have did this more with the kids
Yeah.
when they were young. Don't wait until it's too late to say this. You know. Now we get to do it with our grandkid, but
That's very true. But,
wish I would have did it more with the kids when they were younger. So for those that are doing it, great. Keep going. Do it as much as you can. For those that aren't doing it, try to find the time. You won't regret it.
no.
Enjoy life's adventures. Enjoy your kids. Enjoy your family.
And
Well,
with
we
that,
can.
and we're going to go for a walk now.
Let's go for a walk and
Enjoy each
some
other.
more.
All right. See ya. Well, I guess they're known for their wieners up here. According to this, it says it's wienerlicious. That's pretty funny.
That's a big wiener. Can't find the off button again.